Mary Ann Subihano, Ariana Joy S. Villalobos,
Clarissa Jane D. Victoriano.
Ira S. Villanueva,
For Rajun, Mr. George F. Macaspa, Advisor.
For Iskanju, Ms. Lydia O. Macasobol, Advisor.
We would like to express our gratitude to Honorable Dante Liban, Honorable Alan Francisco, Honorable Bernadette Herrera D, Mrs. Glenda Garcia, Dr. Araceli S. Rivera, and Dr. Maria Paz Rebolito for joining us in this important event.
Also, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Mrs. Evangeline Benz Evangelista, representative of Congresswoman Annie Rosa Susano. At the same time, we're requesting her to assist us in the distribution of certificates. Also, we'd like to seek the assistance of Mr. Rafael Antonius Malapig, Administrative Officer of Lagro High School, Mrs. Nimpa R. Gabertan, Department Head of the English Department, Mrs. Dolores Bison, Department Head of the Science Department, and Mrs. Karina Ortiz Luis, Department Head of the Technology and Livelihood Education Department, to help us in the distribution of certificates.
Raymond B. Ababa,
Ronald J. N. Abara,
Jason P. Alcantara,
J. Boy D. Casible,